everyone, and welcome back to my quest to walk the length of the entire map of this world. As you can see, I'm here in North Haven, and I'm heading for here, the furthest point on the map. I started all the way down here, the last episode, down at the Citadel of Rawdan. I decided also in the last episode that I wasn't going to try and hit every single area along the way. I'm just going to try it. I'm just going to make a beeline to cross the continent and then go home. Anyone wondering why I've decided to do this? It was something I decided to do on like a that's the wrong direction. I decided to do on a whim. And I actually think it was a sensible idea. So, I've suffered no consequences for this action and choice so far. So I don't want anyone going, oh, you suffered some actions and for this choice. Because I haven't, clearly. Alright, off again. Why is that house, like, not all there? Yo, let's check out the residence way out here in wherever I am. Yo, what kind of crazy fellas live out here? Yo, what kind of big crazies be living out here, you know what I mean? Apparently there's a river. Where did you come from? Watch this, it's gonna storm me out really inconvenient. Fucking dumbass thing. Yo, let me just, give me a sec. Yo, save game. Alright, back to it. And the plan is to just keep going, you know, just run. Just go, you know what I mean? Does this river go up a hill? Excuse me. Excuse me. Yes. Yo, guys, I found the river that goes up a hill. Yo, I found the river that goes up a hill. That's an achievement. Yo, bro, where does the river that goes up a hill source? I have to know now because it's such an incredible river. Yo, this is awesome. What a find on my behalf, you know what I mean? Dude, it's super cool that happened to me. Where did those wolves even fucking come from? I didn't see them anywhere. Where did they spawn in? Alright, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. I'm not even that worried about it, really. What the fuck are they, man? Where are they? Where are these fuckers, genuinely? Are these the magical, disappearing wolves? That's awesome. The magical disappearing wolves. Way up there with the river that goes uphill. Yo, look, there's a person here. Sup, King? What you doing way out here?
Greetings, traveler. If you want to purchase a horse, I am your man.
Yo, is this your farm? No, he's the owner. I'm an employee. Alright, bye. That was the wrong buy word. What was that thing that just spawned in the background? So let's trade. Where's my horse? Bro, where's my fucking horse? Can I just not? Is that just like tantalizing me? It's like, yo, we could have a horse. You could have a horse, but we're not going to program it. That's probably friendly. I actually know it is. I know it is. I know it is, and that's why I'm gonna move like quickly from the area. You know what I mean? Fuck, fuck, fuck. Yo. This time I've got the river that like... I guess that actually is downhill. Alright, okay, I'll let you off on that one. I guess. Oh, fucking, that's the bears. It's alright. I'm not even crying, okay? I don't want to hear anyone say anything. Oh my god, no. Not like this. Bro, I just want to get to the other side of the continent now, man. Please. You don't have to do this. Oh my god. Why is this happening? Do you reckon I'll be safe when I enter like the cold area? Bears will be like, nah, fuck that. No, definitely not. That's not what's gonna happen. Yo, I've entered the snow area. Yo, guys, I've entered the snow area. Fuck, 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 fuck. It's good, it's good, it's fine. I'm not panicking in any way at all. I'm not scared of the honing bears. This is the... That was a mistake, Gwyd. Yeah, I know, I'm ready to regret it when I get back on. All good. Yo, there's an escape. Yo, bye, bear. Bro is gonna be so fucking flabbergasted when I leave him in the dust. And save. So you don't spawn me in front of a fucking bear like a jerk. Alright, I'm in the cold area now where all the wolves are. But I'll probably be okay. But do you think I'm scared? Can I run faster? Yo, you think I'm scared of that? Runs faster. Yo, you think I'm scared? Oh my god, oh my god. Dude, I just want to complete this mission now. Man. You know what? The wolves are not pursuing me so far. Unless they're going to be like those cool wolves I encountered last time, the magical appearing out of nowhere wolves. They're not invisible wolves, at least. No, they're not the invisible species, they're just like the regular species of wolf. Dude, put the sword away, you're gonna aggravate them. Oh, man. Safe. Where am I, actually? Not making as much progress as you probably want. No, it's good. Help me, oh my god, help me. There's people that live up here? Do you reckon they'll let me into their house so I can escape these damn wolves? Why do you guys live up here with the wolves? Yo, they're our friends. The kind of friends... It's all good because I saved it. Watch this. This is well within my safety. This is okay. This is okay. I don't want anyone to say it's not okay. I mean, it is okay, I mean. It's okay for like 100%. Alright. Come on, please. Dude, you gotta let me come into your house. Stop snarling at my back and my neck. Stop snarling around my neck. Fuck. Get him off my tail, get him off my tail, get him off my tail. Oh my god, it was so bad out there. Save game. Sup, man? Give me your hardest liquor. What? Can I not talk to you? Why would you want to ever talk to an inn? No, I can. Welcome, friend. See ya. Hey. I heard there was some kind of trouble down in the mines. Ask Desmond over at the company headquarters. He'll know what's going on. How are you guys so casual? There's like wolves breaking down your door. Yeah, well, you know, such is life. We've redacted a bit of shit up here. We're not wusses. Hey. Some of your brethren, like, beat the shit out of me down, like, in the forested area. Yo, the goblins, after they beat the shit out of me down in the bottom area. Can I just, like, active aggression against him? No, he's just having fun. And I can't affect him anyway. So who cares? Can't use either of these doors, they're just here. Oh shit, where the fuck did you come from? Fuck if I know, man. They were literally waiting at the door. I said that as a joke, man. Hey, welcome back. Found you beaten up by the... How do I escape this situation? You get lucky. That's how you escape. Oh my god. 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 Don't corner yourself in another building, Gwyd. But he said for me to go talk to that guy. Hey.
Welcome to the mountains, friend. You'll need to stock up on supplies to survive here.
Do you consider stocking up on clothes? No. Fuck you. Oh, sorry. Right, run. It was cool that I did that again. I'm the kind of guy who's like, yo, I had a horrible time the first time. Here's what I'm going to do it again. You know what I mean? I'm a bit of a badass like that. I'm not going over there. No, that's like a fucking... That's definitely like a dungeon. I don't have time for that. I'm trying to cross the continent. Bro, these wolves just gonna be following me for the rest of this journey now. Yeah, they've locked on to the scent of your blood. This is it now. This is your foreseeable future. Running from wolves to your end goal. I'm sure it's nothing too bad. Just make sure you save a lot along the way. So when they inevitably, like, tear your head off. Oh great, a polar bear. That's okay though. Yeah, you know what? I actually think the polar bears will be way better. Alright, that's probably a polar bear that's now, like, locked on zone, like a zone locked in on me, man. It's like, yeah, I'll take that. My guy runs like he's got a sore ankle. Oh, sweet, there's another one. It's okay, I'll go this way. Alright, I'm going this way. It's nice. It's a very thin path. Minus 90% on regeneration. Because I'm not eating? That's ridiculous. It's alright. Is this doable? Oh my god, it's still so far away. It's alright though, probably. I just have to keep moving. Take a nice long route around the violent polar bears. And I'll be okay. Alright, now I'm in the comfortable position where I just don't stop moving ever. And gradually make my way to like the not safety of the end. This is good. Sure, yeah. Why not run in front of the fucking polar bear, man? Yeah, come on, come at me. This is hell on earth. There's no escaping this. This is like this is the home stretch. I can't escape this. How long has this episode been? Yo, 16 minutes. Yo, tune in next time when I finish this. Okay, bye.